So we have here, given x plus y equals 7 and 2x minus y equals 5. For clarity's sake, I'm going to be putting the ones. So you know there is a number there. And I'm going to label it A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. So the first step, because that's the only step we're doing today, using Kramer's rule, and we're going to look only for x. So we're going to look for x. Again, I've told you, do not memorize this formula. Just work it as you go along. All right, so I cover my x, so C1, B1, that's the top. C2, B2, that's the bottom row. This B1 and the B2 will come down to the denominator. And whatever I have covered, that is my numerator. All right? That's all the time. Then, on my next step, I will find which one, what number is going to be valuing each of those letters. So C1 is 7, C2 is 5, B1 is 1, B2 is -1. So I'm going to rewrite the 1 and the -1 as part of my denominator. And then I will put the last two, which is 1 and 2, for the final column that is missing. Now I can operate, I can work the rest. And of course, we're doing determinant, AD minus BC. So I'm going to have 7 times -1 minus 1 times 5. That's my numerator. Then 1 times -1 minus 1 times 2 for my denominator. I have space, so I'm going to do the next calculation here. 7 times -1 is obviously -7. -1 times 5 is going to be -5. 1 times -1 is obviously -1. And -1 times 2, that's obviously -2. So, x then is equal to -7 minus 5, that's -12. -1 minus 2, that's -3. So x is equal to a negative divided by a negative is a positive, and 12 divided by 3 is then 4. And that is my first answer. Questions, guys?